Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time on stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mary Dika and today's video is about this pretty makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching, and please don't forget to show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm using this Mary Kay face primer to prime my face. I'm using this Revlon Color Stay Foundation in the shade 400 Caramel for my face. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics HD Second Skin Concealer in the shade Honey to highlight my face. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Studio Fix powder in the shade Warm Honey to set my highlights. I'm using this Ben 9 banana powder to bake my highlights. I'm using this Seman Cosmetics powder in the shade Medium Deep to contour. I'm using this Natasha brow pomade in a shade dark brown for my brows. I'm using this Rios eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this shade Sweetie for my eyes. I'm using this Mary Kay black gel eyeliner to line my eyes. Using this mascara from Zion Cosmetics for my eyes. Using this Zion Cosmetics Sparkling Honey Dust highlighter in the shade Moonlight to highlight my face. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup, and I'm using this shade right here. I'm using this MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus spray to set my makeup. I'm using this lipstick from MAC Cosmetics called Flat Out Fabulous for my lips.